Hey guys, is your mobile phone, laptop, or PC giving you an older look? Or is it giving you a pigmentation on your skin? Yes, you're right. Tonight I'm going to talk about that blue light emitting devices and our skin. Alright, let's jump in. What is blue light? Blue light is a visible light and it is main source is the sun. Alright, okay, it's also called as high energy visible light. It is perceived as cool tone white light. And working from home, during this pandemic, we are all at home. That has made us to deal with so many calls, reading messages from our friends and family, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever. All this can cause more exposure to your face or skin to this blue light emitting devices. Alright, so this, and apart from that, LED light, night you won't be sleeping, morning you'll be talking on the phone, so that you'll be exposed too much of blue light, okay? Everywhere light, blue light, blue light, blue light, everywhere. So, do you know something? 4 to 8 hours in front of all these devices is equivalent to 20 minutes in the midday sun. Know that? Keep that in mind. Don't ever forget this. Okay. Now, how it acts. After absorption, what will happen is it produces unstable oxygen molecule. Blue light will be absorbed and it will produce unstable molecule, and it accelerates aging process. Free radicals are formed. That is the main cause of aging. Okay, this blue light will penetrate more than the UVA or UVB light from the sun. It penetrates more into the dermis and it damages the collagen. That is the main cause of the aging. And now digital devices are called or labeled as silent agers. Okay, and it, as I mentioned, it causes pigmentation of the skin, maybe mottled pigmentation, spot like pigmentation, or melasma, and also it can cause post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or darkening of the spots of acne when it heals, and it can cause diffuse pigmentation mainly for the darker skin type. And circadian rhythm also goes out of sync. That's what I'm gonna explain to you next. Then what we need to know about this? What more we need to know? Our skin cells are misguided by this blue light. In the night time, our skin will get repaired. Our skin cells will get repaired. So that is the resting time. During that time only, our skin as well as all our skills of the muscles and all of the body will get repaired during that process. And another thing is that in the night time only, the melatonin will be secreted. And in the presence of light, our body thinks it's the daylight. So melatonin won't be produced. So if melatonin is not synthesized, it will affect all our body. It will affect us physically, mentally, and it also affect our behavioral changes. And you will be deprived of sleep. So that is very important thing. And two things we should keep in mind is that the duration of exposure to this blue light plus the proximity of the devices to your skin is most dangerous facts. So more the duration, more the damage. More the proximity of the devices, more the damage to your skin. Alright. And another thing what you should understand is that TV is safer than a computer because it emits less blue light. And computer is more safe than cell phone. And another thing is that you will be, the important part is cell phone will be close to your face. So proximity is very important factor. So among all the blue emitting devices, mobile phone is the most bad I'll tell you, this mobile is the worst kind of blue light emitting device. Okay, be careful on that. You can't talk, and the ophthalmologist or eye doctor will advise you to keep 12 inches away from the eyes. Just like that, you can keep it social distancing with your mobile phones and other devices. Alright? If you like that point, please comment on this. Okay? Alright. Wait a minute, I just forgot about one thing, one important thing. The circadian rhythm. This is very interesting actually. For me, this is very interesting. We also go and research. This is very interesting. Circadian rhythm is a thing like in the night you will get good sleep. In the morning you will be very active. Hormonal activity is more in the, especially steroidal hormones, more activity in the morning, and you will sleep in the night peacefully. Melatonin is secreted, and you will know your body will change according to the light and the darkness. And also it regulates your physical and mental and behavioral changes. So that is very important. When you don't get good sleep, your behavioral changes also will be affected. Okay, I think I have explained, but then let's see this why it's bad. As I said, it can damage our skin. Alright, it can also damage our eyes. About eyes, I won't explain much because your eye doctor of ophthalmology will know more. Regarding skin only, I will talk about. The eye, they cause straining of the eye, cataract, glaucoma, and other types of eye problems. So, do we need to worry about the skin changes caused by it? The answer is yes. The researchers have found that there is a direct correlation between blue light exposure and DNA damage. Then blue light can stimulate the production of free radicals, as I mentioned earlier, and it's getting exposed by a chemical in our skin called flavin. Alright, so how will you prevent it? So first and most important thing is limit the amount of blue light emitted from your devices. Social distancing. Okay, social distancing from your blue light emitting devices. Number 2 is there are some phones which has got night shift mode. Put into that and spend little time on mobiles and swap your LED lights for a better version which emits less blue light, and use sunscreen which contain iron oxide, which will help to filter out the blue light, mainly infrared light. But I prefer sun clothes or UV protection cloths instead of the sunscreen. Alright. So, and also you can use blue light computer screen protectors which are available, or blue light filter glasses for protecting your eyes also. And you can use antioxidant creams or lotions containing lipoic acid, and some moisturizer also will help. So I think you enjoyed the talk. If you enjoyed it, like it, comment and share. Alright, that's all for tonight. I hope you all doing well away from all this pandemic thing, COVID thing. Be safe, stay blessed, take care of yourself and your family. Stay blessed. Namaste.